Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see. No time for distractions, I'm about action, don't kill my vibe, please. So if you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. You think you know me, but don't know my story. You're saying things about me, but you don't know my history. Going off what you heard all up through these city streets. Yeah, my name is Tiffany, but you know me as Queen. No, I haven't got a ring, but your nigga want me. But I'm way too focused, leveled up on my journey, blocking out negativity, making dreams reality.
Whoa.
But nigga, I'm in my own league. Ain't no member, I am the team. I'm your homie's fantasy. Your homegirl's trying to work for me. Right, my mama's so pressed, she's calling. Lost my baby last year. I had to cry my last tear. My heart broke into pieces, cause the one I trusted didn't want me near. I played the fool since high school, thinking everybody loved you. Got her over and over by the people I was close to. Every year I lost one, but it made me stronger. That's why I'm a loner. Can't trust these niggas that's on song. Can't work with everybody, everybody ain't good. I'm not that naive little girl from Green Acres Hood. I'm intelligent and relevant, life's so good. I'm trying to stay prison free and get to Hollywood. Got a smile to keep from killing, still working on my healing, getting white with my fitness, man, God is my witness. You don't want no drama with me, cause it's never ever ending. Every time you hear my songs, yeah, you know I put you in it. If you can't stay down, don't come around, don't holler at me. I'm living that good life, grinding day and night, recognize what you see.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Y'all, they definitely came through with this unit, and the first thing I want to say about it is, oh girl, it's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, okay? Like, she is the it, honey. This is 250% density. It's a lot of hair, okay? And it is definitely 250. Child, do they have a 300? Child, do they have a 300? Because this hair is giving 300, but they say 250, so I'm gonna go with what they saying. Now, the unit I am wearing is 28 inches, and I'm trying to look on here and see what other density this particular hair comes in. So, on their site, it says Nadula Glueless 5x5 HD Lace Closure Curly Wig, 250% high density, full and thick human hair wig. Skin melt undetectable lace. Now, where's the lie, girl? Where's the lie? Because old girl woke up like this. Now, that is as far as the lace. I did bleach the knots, but y'all know I'm just on that kick. But as far as the lace in itself, she woke up like this, okay? They tweezed this unit. They did all of that. The only thing that I had to do with this wig was bleach the knots. I did not have to tweeze it or any of those things. All I had to do was bleach the knots. But that's just because, like I said, I am on just this kick of bleaching knots. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And I may have an alternative for you guys in another video. But with this particular wig, so it says, as I stated, that little part about, you know, the title. Okay, so as far as the lengths that are available in this unit is 16 to 30 inches. And as I stated, I have 28. And I am 5'4", and when I do my full 360 and length check, you guys will see where this unit comes to me. It does come in an average cap size. It does have HD lace. It is 5x5 closure. You guys know how I feel about closure, girl. And it is 250% density. It says 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding, soft and bouncy. Curly hair gives the wearer a glossy, loosely curled look. Okay, so those are the details and stuff that I see on their site. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I did experience a little bit of shedding, a little bit of tangling. There was nothing to write home about, but it is a lot of hair on this unit. Okay, girl? Like, it's a lot of hair. So I expected it, but as long as it's not excessive, it's not a big deal to me. Now, they did want me to kind of mention and talk to you guys about this HD lace. And honey, this HD lace is HDing, okay, girl? It's definitely giving clear. I like when I literally put it on, because I've had this unit on now for probably about 6 hours or so. When I initially put it on, I was a little taken aback, honey, okay, at how it was melting. But they did send me some lace to kind of show you guys the differences. So this is the regular lace. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is a regular lace. So I'm gonna put that on here so you guys can kind of see what that looks like on my skin. And you know, you can obviously still see that lace. Not as much as you would see like brown lace, but you can still see it. You see? You can still see it. So then we're gonna go from that to the transparent lace, which looks a little better. And with transparent lace, I've always noticed that look better once you put makeup on top of it. And then we have this lace, which is the HD lace. So that's what that looks like, which is also what it looks like on my head, girl. Okay, so I kind of just wanted to show you guys like the differences in the lace, because they had sent them to me. They didn't tell me to do that little spray test, child. Shout out to them for that. But they did want me to kind of just show you guys the differences in lace. And to also talk about the density, honey, but the density talks for itself, okay? So that is that on that. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this wig, as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue to watch. Child, these things ain't made for the big arm girls, are they? Child, my arm feel like it's suffocating. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. So my con with this wig is, girl, somebody give me a con. I would say that a con for some people would be that is a closure. Like whenever I can't think of a con, I just throw something out there. Some people don't like closures. Now, honey, you guys know I live for a closure, so that's not a con for me. But if I gotta throw something out there, that's the only con that I think that anybody would have with this particular unit. Do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, so my pros with this wig is the fact that it's a closure, is the fact that the density is thick, honey, thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, so definitely that is a pro for me. I also love that it came pre-tweezed. I love the texture of this unit. It is definitely giving me all of the vacay vibes that your girl needs right now this summer, honey. So those are all my pros with this unit. Yes, I personally do feel like it is, I definitely feel like I would recommend this wig. It's a lot of hair. You get a lot of bang for your buck. The fact that it came pre-tweezed, all of that good stuff, to me, makes this unit definitely a unit that I personally would recommend, because it's a unit that I would personally want. So yeah, yes, I would recommend Old Girl. Alright, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you are feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, if you're feeling it as much as I am. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. And once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. It is truly appreciated. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok, Ultimate Seal, Snapchat, and on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style and weekly.